Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'll be cooking authentic minced chicken salad, or in Thai we call Larb Gai. This is a special recipe from my hometown and it's very delicious when we cook and eat together with sticky rice. Yeah, I have about half a cup of minced chicken. We used breast meat chicken with a little bit of fat, then mince it. And I have 1 red onion, thin slices. This is a roasted ground rice. We use sticky rice to roast it, and then we put in the grinder and it becomes like a powder like that. This is very nice. It gives a very good fragrance for the dish. And chili flake, dry chili flake. This is very spicy chili flake. Thai people use a lot of chili flake when they cook minced chicken salad or minced meat salad, or either beef or pork. And this is the crispy chicken skin. We use the chicken skin to fry it until it becomes crispy. This is totally optional because it's a bit difficult to prepare. And we have lime, fish sauce, chicken stock. This is optional, and this is the mixture of the vegetable that we're going to put in the salad. So it's the mixture of sweet basil, mint leaf, and this is a long coriander, or in Thai we call pak chi phalang. And this is the salad to eat together with the minced chicken. However, I have already pre-cut all these 3 vegetables together and put it like that. So we're gonna start off with to cook the chicken, and just cook the chicken in the pot, and then I put in the chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, it's okay to use just plain water. And then I'll go ahead and just put it on the heat until the chicken is cooked. So this is I use the heat here from the charcoal, and we will just keep stirring until the chicken is cooked. Just about 1 more minute until the chicken is cooked, and then we can go and mix it. Alright, this is our chicken. We have already cooked it, and so we still have some gravy in here. I am going to remove it. We don't want it to be too wet for the minced chicken salad. So I just take out the water, and here is the chicken, and we're going to put in the other ingredients. Just put in the onions, all of them. And the crispy chicken skin. Chili is too spicy. I'm just putting in just half spoon. And for this ground rice, I put a lot because it's very nice, fragrant. 2 spoons of the fish sauce. Right, I've cut the lime, and I'm going to cut 2 limes. I'm going to squeeze the lime. We might not be using all of the lime because sometimes too sour is not nice. Wow, slivers are coming out already. Alright, we have squeezed all the lime. We have squeezed about 1.5 lime, and I'm going to just stir. Looks so nice. My slivers are coming out. And you're going to put in the mixed vegetable. This is really authentic minced chicken salad, and it's really nice. So now I can taste it. Wow, it is crispy from the chicken skin. It is sour from the lime, spicy from the chili, and It's a bit lack of fish sauce, and I'm gonna put in one more fish sauce, one more spoon of fish sauce. Very delicious. In Thailand, kampong here we eat with sticky rice and some fresh vegetable. So, one more taste. Final taste. Good. Very nice. Alright. Spicy minced chicken salad. Authentic Larb Gai. Okay, time to eat. So we will be eating the minced chicken salad with sticky rice and some raw vegetable here. This is how the Thai people eat. It's very authentic and very nice. Like that. And eat with hand. So good. So take some of the basil leaf and raw cabbage. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more of my cooking video. Thank you and bye bye.